Hey guys, so in this week's video I did a clean with me. This is like my daily cleaning routine. It's nothing really special. I just want to kind of tidy up my room and film it. So if you just want to stick around and watch me clean my room, then just keep on watching. So I usually just start off with making my bed. I'm just putting on new sheets. And as you guys saw previously, I don't have a duvet cover. Well, I didn't have a duvet cover. I just got a new one from HomeGoods and I'm loving it. It's so pretty. And if anyone's wondering what I'm doing here, I'm picking out the hairs from my pillows. I do this literally every single day. I don't know what's in this Texas water, but my hair just sheds like crazy. And I was on a FaceTime call with my friend. Shout out to 𝓓𝓸𝓷'𝓽. Hey girl. And here I'm just wiping and dusting with this Comet Lilac Blast spray cleaner. I don't really have any favorite like cleaning products right now, although I've been loving this Comet stuff and the Method grapefruit spray cleaning stuff. That's really nice too. Yeah, I'm just dusting off all the dust and wiping down everything. And here I'm just again putting things back, wiping and dusting. This is usually what I do every day. I don't go so in depth every single day, but I do this 3 to 4 times out of the week. And if anyone cares, or if anyone was wondering why I look sad or mad, I love true crime, and that's what I've been obsessed with for like literally 2 years, I want to say, and I've been really into it right now because, like, if anyone knows, I'm not working or anything, so that's literally all I do every single day. And I was listening to a YouTube video, so I was super concentrated. Yeah, that's why I look like I'm not happy, but I promise you I am. And here I'm just going to give my bathroom a quick wipe down. I just used a little bit of bleach in the toilet and the sink area. My tub was already clean, so I didn't do anything there. So yeah, I just spray a little bit of bleach, let it sit there for 5 minutes, and just wipe it down with a paper towel. And then my sink, the same thing. I use a magic eraser for the sink area, and I love those things. Those are amazing. here I'm taking that green rag and just wiping the floors down because there's hair and dust and the vacuum sometimes doesn't get everything. So I first take that little microfiber cloth, wipe down the floors, and then I vacuum. And the bathroom, this is what the bathroom looks like, all cleaned up, and the same thing with the bedroom, all nice and clean. And that's it for the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next one.